honorable guest, chief guest, management members, teachers, parents and dear students. A warm welcome and good morning to all of you. Parents, कृपया ध्यान दें, ये रिपोर्ट आपके लिए पढ़ी जा रही है, तो आप प्लीज इसे सुनिए. आपके बच्चों ने क्या क्या किया है पूरे साल भर. Today, Guru Nanak Mission High School is celebrating its annual day, and I take great pleasure welcoming all of you on this special occasion of our annual day. I am privileged to undertake the pleasant duty of presenting the report of all the activities undertaken during the academic session 2013-14. Our primary section, here learning is more activity orientation with the playway method. This helps them to boost their confidence. The foundation of primary education lies in reading and analytical skill along with the environmental and opportunity to build self-esteem and grow their confidence. Our students are extremely privileged to avail facility of well-equipped laboratory, sports ground, computer labs, audio-visual room and digital classrooms. Our staff. The success is also the combined effort of teachers whose supreme art is to awake joy in creative expression and knowledge. We are fortunate to have the staff of nearly 47 teachers, well-trained, well-experienced, dedicated and capable of fulfilling the demands of the growing modern generation of students. Apart from the various core subjects, teachers, we have an enthusiastic team of co-curricular activity, teachers of physical education, music, dance, art and craft. This helps in exploring and nurturing the innate talent and skill of our promising students. We also have 20 supporting staff, which includes clerical staff, non-teaching staff, security, social awareness. The commitment of this institution to society is evident through the charity, support and comfort extended by the student to the poor, sick and needy. As a part of this, our students collect money for the Scenic Welfare Fund, Alert India Leprosy Foundation and Indian Blind Foundation. Achievements. SSC Board Examination March 2014. Success is dependent on effort and success is the sum of small efforts. Yet another academic year of success and achievement unfolded with an honor conferred on our students who are the successive batch with 100%. I repeat, we have 100%. Pass percentage with 30 distinctions, 40 first classes and 11 second classes. Guru Nanak Mission High School SSC toppers are Master Singh Pawan Kumar secured 92.20, starting first. Miss Mishra Archana scored 92 point, standing second. Master Saw Yogesh scored 91.80, standing third. Scholarship exams. Every year our students appear for the scholarship exams and show the excellent result. Drawing exams performance of our students are elementary exam 88.08%, intermediate exam result 100%. Teachers are also learners. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs. Few of them are as follow. Mrs. Jasmine Khattar and her team conducted a workshop on slow learners and students having dyslexia problem. They trained the teachers how to go about with those students having these problems. Ms. Gagandeep Bhatti conducted a workshop on self-love for teachers' personal growth. A workshop was conducted regarding safety while using gas stove and cylinder by Suraksha Karmacharis. Proud to announce, this is very important. Parents, आप लोग प्लीज ध्यान से सुनिए. हमारी टीचर सुनीता पांडे सेकेंडरी सेक्शन की पूना में इनवाइट किया था उन्होंने, क्योंकि जो अभी नेक्स्ट हमारी 5th स्टैंडर्ड और 6th स्टैंडर्ड की बुक्स चेंज होने वाली है, उसके लिए पूरी बुक का उनको कहा गया था पढ़ के उसमें मिस्टेक्स निकालिए और उसमें कुछ कमियां हो तो हम भरेंगे. वी आर वेरी प्राउड शी वॉज देयर फॉर 2 days in Pune to check the syllabus of new Hindi book and give her opinion. Parents Teacher Association, every child one voice. Our PTA members are closely and actively involved in all the activities of the school. A camp was conducted by the team of doctors from Lions Club of Mumbai for the students from 1st to 4th, where all general and dental checkup was done. School performance 2013-14, inter-school co-curricular activities. In the present demanding time, when the task of grooming students has become all the more challenging, education has to be holistic than just being an information center of teaching and learning. Nurturing inherent talents and tapping potentialities of child through co-scholastic activities has been the hallmark of our school. Our students won in various inter-school competition is an ample proof of progress of our school has been making. Our senior group student participated in Sanskrit group song competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad and won 3rd prize. Our student won 2nd prize in folk dance competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad. Student Master Harsh Malekar won 2nd prize in clown contest organized by Holy Family Ex-Student Association. Our senior group student participated in folk dance competition by Lions Club and won 2nd prize. Our student Master Gopi Mishra and Master Abhay Thakur participated in stand-up comedy competition organized by Lions Club and won 3rd prize. Miss Kajal Yadav won 1st prize on Miss Kajal Yadav won 1st prize on English essay writing competition. Science exhibition. The science exhibition was held in the month of November. The teachers and students came forward with the new creative ideas and models on topics given separately. Many new concepts regarding the energy resources and conservation, youth contribution for better India, new energy concept extra were showcased by the students. Now picnics. We also conduct educational trips and picnic for our students to get first-hand knowledge. This year the student of standard 1st to 7th had visited Kidzania, by which they got extra knowledge to choose their career in future. Tuck shop. Students of standard 9 conducted a tuck shop for primary and students of standard 10 conducted for secondary section with various eatables and game stalls. Sports achievement. The annual athletic meet, which was inaugurated by Aarti Bangare, observed march past by 4 different houses. The day witnessed an outstanding performance by our students participating in various events. The winners were awarded. Sport activities enhance teamwork. Team playing skill and helps them in improving pair relationship. We have special coaches to train our students for basketball, volleyball, skating, chess, taekwondo, and now we have introduced new game rope malakham. Proud to announce that our student Master Harsh Thakur from standard 9 won 2 prizes from running competition. First prize in 3000 meter run from Mumbai Suburban District, and he is 6th place, and 5 kilometer marathon organized by Marol Athletics Sports Association. Miss Tulsi Rawat won 3rd prize in Taekwondo. The competition was organized by Mumbai Suburban District, that is called DSO. This year, following students participated in marathon organized by Marol Athletics Sports Association and conducted when our students won the prize, and the names are as below. Gupta Sahil, Dangi Kishore, Sahil Avle, Utsav Pradhan, Ashish Gupta. Bombay Arts and Sports conducted different events of different age group, and our students from primary and secondary won the prizes. our achievements. To give the knowledge about our Sikh history, students are attending the Gurmat classes in our school. Our Gurmat class students performed Kirtan and it was aired on the Divya channel. Wow, it is a great pleasure. दिव्या चैनल में इन बच्चों का शब्द और कीर्तन दिखाया गया था. आप लोगों को सबको पता होगा, पेरेंट्स को. आप लोगों ने देखा है? Yes, you have seen. Special report was telecasted on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday and Children Day celebrated were aired on Maharashtra News channel. We have the tabla playing classes too. This year, the senior students were taken to the theatre to see the 3D movie Char Sahibzade, which they study in their Sikh history. We have special counselor for the student, those who need help in their learning. Before concluding this report, I bow my head in the reverence to the Almighty Vaheguruji for the blessings He showered upon this institution. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to our management for the steady ongoing support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents for their continuous support and cooperation that enable us to move forward with confidence. Last but not the least, I thank all the staff, teaching and non-teaching, for their dedicated service, which is the key to all our success and achievement. Let me conclude this report by entrusting our school to the divine hands of Vaheguruji, our patronus, and by invoking prayer for the journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for a brief report. An announcement will be made after every 2 programs. Only then the parents are requested to collect their children.
यात्राएं हमेशा सुखद और मजेदार होती हैं, तो आइए हम अपने स्कूल के इस डांस एक्सप्रेस की हमारी यह जो ट्रेन है वह भारत के सुंदर वनों में घूम रही है, जहां हरियाली का सुंदर नजारा है, पशु पक्षियों के मधुर संगीत हैं और मन के मयूर को नाचने पर विवश करने वाले सुंदर पंख फैलाकर मोर नाच रहे हैं। तो चलिए हमारे साथ भारत के इन सुंदर वनों में बच्चों के साथ नाचने के लिए।
मिशन हाई स्कूल के बच्चे भारत यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं। ये यात्रा खुशियों से भरी और आनंदमय रहे, इसलिए नन्हे कलाकार आपकी शुभकामनाएं चाहते हैं।
Good morning, everybody, and today we are going to take you to the jungles to see the beautiful peacock dance. And it's so very cold, but I can hear thundering also. The season is changing. It's about to rain.
I can see many peacocks dancing and welcoming the rain. Our junior KG students are going to perform the dance Nachre Mora.
Thank you.